Thank you for using the combination nasogastric tube. This video demonstrates how to assemble the combination nasogastric tube. Please prepare the tools shown on the screen for use. Please utilize the prepared nasogastric tube. Measure the length of usage for the patient by using the nasogastric tube. Place the tube from the tip of the nose to the earlobe for the first measurement. For the second measurement, start from the earlobe and extend the xiphoid process. Obtain the measured length and bisect it into 2 segments utilizing a pair of scissors. Take out the prepared luer connector and feeding port. Apply a lubricant to the insertion site of the luer connector. Assemble the luer connector with a nasogastric tube. This is what the luer connector and nasogastric tube look like when they are fully installed. Apply a lubricant to the insertion site of the feeding port. Assemble the feeding port with another nasogastric tube. Completion of the assembly of the feeding port and nasogastric tube. Take out the installed feeding port and luer connector. Assemble the feeding port and the luer connector. Complete custom-made 2-piece nasogastric tube. Kind reminder: after the installation of the nasogastric tube, wearing a mask can be convenient and also effectively maintain the patient's confidence and dignity. The combination nasogastric tube can reduce the occurrence of food reflux and alleviate patient discomfort. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Alger Technology Co. Limited has been the recipient of several international accolades and awards.